Welcome back, everybody. Today we'll be making some pork and shrimp siu mai. Here are the ingredients we'll be using today. We'll start off with our shrimp that we've peeled and deveined. We'll be soaking that in some cold water along with 1 tablespoon of baking soda. And that'll go for about 30 minutes. Once that's done, we'll take the shrimp out, thoroughly rinse it, and dry it. Now we're going to use our food processor. We'll put our shrimp into the food processor and we'll pulse it for about 10 to 15 times until it's nice and finely chopped. Definitely do not want to overwork it and turn it into a paste. And once that's done, we'll be emptying out everything into our mixing bowl. Now we'll be preparing our pork fat and our pork shoulder. What we'll do now is cut our pork shoulder into about 1-inch chunks. Then we'll take our pork fat and we'll do that as a fine dice. I didn't do that here, but I highly recommend it. After that, we'll throw it all in the food processor and we'll process it until it's all finely chopped. Once that's all processed, we'll be emptying out all of it into our mixing bowl with our shrimp. And now it's time to add all of our seasonings to our mix. What we have here is a 1/4 teaspoon of ground black pepper, 1/2 teaspoon of kosher salt, 2 teaspoons of cornstarch, 2 teaspoons of Shaoxing wine, 1 teaspoon of toasted sesame oil, 1 teaspoon of extra virgin olive oil, 1/2 teaspoon of grated ginger, and finally 1/2 teaspoon of sugar. Now we'll thoroughly mix everything until it's all well combined. Put some saran wrap over it and then we'll refrigerate it for at least 30 minutes and then we'll be ready to make our siu mai. To make our siu mai, we'll start off by taking one of our wonton wrappers and placing it into the palm of our hand. Then we'll take 1 tablespoon of filling, put that in the center of our wrapper. After that, we'll pull the wrapper up around the size of the siu mai and just make sure the bottom is nice and flat. That'll be nice and done. We'll put it inside of our prepared bamboo steamer with parchment paper at the bottom. Once that's all done, we'll steam everything for about 7 minutes. And here's our end product. It's really good. Tastes even better. Thanks for watching, guys. Give it a try.